As one of the few companies worldwide that has the capability and the network to keep the global economy moving, FedEx continues to facilitate import and export activities in the country. The continued operations of FedEx has helped Philippine Economic Zone Authority to stay open and retain their staff. FedEx delivered vital medical equipment, supplies, and medicines for many in the community who needed it most. This was instrumental during the enhanced community quarantine in Luzon when access to international networks was difficult. As of June, FedEx has delivered over 500,000 pieces of PPE, medical equipment, and medicines to aid the country in the fight against COVID-19. The FedEx team is stepping up every day to ensure business continuity for our customers and their customers.
Johnson Johnson has always been known as a healthcare organization, and we're clearly living out our credo, responsibility, and commitment through the work that we're doing for the community. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, Johnson Johnson is one of the first companies to respond. One of the things that we're very proud of is how we have supported hospitals, both public and private, NGOs and NGOs. What we've done is donate care packages. It was composed of surgical masks, hand sanitizers, our alcohol, hydration drinks, and other J&J products. There were about 20,000 of those that we immediately deployed. Close to 140,000 PPEs were provided. At the same time, there have been fundraising events. We were able to raise close to $200,000 US, which we have donated to our partner organizations. We've been exerting a lot of effort to help in our response to the COVID crisis. Johnson & Johnson is indeed built for times like these.